What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Matt's Freaking Market. How are y'all doing tonight? Hope everybody has had a great day today. Market, it's all right. Looking good. But how about that gap fill last night? 16.15 off the dot. We hit off a Doge and then bounced right back to that gap fill at 16.70. Seeing some retracement now, getting a pretty good red candle coming in to start the stream. But hopefully we can turn that around pretty quick, guys. So I'm going to give everybody a few minutes to roll in here. Let me send out some alerts. Let everybody know we're going live. And then we'll get cracking. Get the lighting back right. Boom. There we go, baby. How's everybody doing tonight? Send out the alert real quick. Put it on Twitter. Then we'll be popping, going over some good news articles for y'all, doing some TA, breaking down all the good stuff. Let me tweet this out real quick, and then we'll get cracking, guys. How are y'all doing? What's up, RW? Hold the line, baby. You already know what's happening. Got to freaking hold the line. Hey, I'm just saying. Last night we said 16.15, gap fill to 16.75, and we hit it off the head. We're getting rejected right now. So we're going to talk about where we might think Dogecoin could be going for you swing traders out there. And if you long-term hold, you're not even worried about this dip. You just, continue to add more off the dips. But it's very, very important to add off the dips. You don't want to buy the tops. But what's up, Benny? What's happening, man? Turbo Fireman, what's happening? Ernesto, what's happening? My Georgia Bulldog over here, man. Joey, what's happening? Give me 1 second, guys, and we'll be cranked up. I'm pretty sure the Bitcoin maxis don't like me tweeting out Dogecoin live, but we're going to do it anyway. Doesn't even matter. We're going to ruffle some feathers over here. So guys, if y'all saw, we set up a mining room in Discord. Also, we got a Parlay Mafia where I know some guys personally. They make some really good calls. They're going to be, operating that room in the Discord. So make sure to check them out. Show them some love, guys. Show them the Mass Market family love. Give them some repping for them boys out there. What's up, Stevie? How are you doing, man? If y'all got any questions, let me know. We'll give it a few minute or two. Let everybody get cranked in here. And then we'll start busting out some TA, man. I'm super pumped, dude. We called that 16.15 dip and 16.75. Now we're getting rejected. Pretty good red candle coming here off the 30-minute. Oh, that's a 30-minute candle right here. Wow. Taking a bit of a hit. We hit 16.96, started to pump, and now we're getting rejected. So, not looking too good. Possibly going to bounce right here very, very shortly. Let me pull this over here so you can see this. Widen this up. So lots of red candles. Looking for a bounce right here at 16.43. You might be able to gap fill once again at 16.75 if we hold this level. 16.46 right now. Currently 0.3 away from looking for a retest of that 200 exponential moving average here off the charts. So we'll see if we get it. If we do, I think it's going to be super bullish for you short-term swing traders. But guys, I got the mining room set up. I'm gonna get my guy. I know a guy. He knows a guy. He's gonna come in here and get everything set up, and we're gonna get you guys mining, man. I'm gonna get mining myself. I cannot freaking wait. It's gonna be cool, man. We're gonna make some passive income, do some good stuff. Also, here we go. 16.43 retest right now. You're looking at it on the charts. What are we gonna do? We're gonna bounce. Gap fill to 16.75. You trading on Kraken. You got cheap exchange fees. Make sure to check them out. Not a paid sponsor by any means. I'm just saying, I like retail making money, man. So here we go. 16.42 breaking down a little bit. 16.41. We're seeing a pretty nice rejection off of Dogecoin currently right now. 16.96 all the way to 16.43. Still could have a chance to bounce, but we're starting to break down below it. So I saw 16.42. They're calling 43 right here. We'll see what happens. So I wonder if they They're going to start 420 Doge rumors again. Come on, man. You already know they're going to do it. We got some hype coming in February. Doge X Rocket. We got 420. We got May the 4th be with you. That was a good day for Doge. That was not buy the hype, sell the news. You get what I'm saying. That was not one of those days where, everything just kind of, fell from the sky. We had some good days for May the 4th. So that's still a couple months away. We need to start talking about February, where I do think crypto is going to start to rebound, guys. I'm not shitting you. I really do think Bitcoin's going to start to bounce back shortly. Like we talked in previous videos, I do think institutions are scooping up Bitcoin at 40,000. And you're starting to see really good pops when we get to that 39, 40,000 level. We shot up really quick. We just might have another retest of 39,000. That's not out the woods yet. So right now, it's either way. It's still mid to early February coming up. So I'm still expecting a nice pump in February. I'm really hoping for a nice bounce back. So what are we going to see? We'll just have to wait and find out. But we got XRP. We talked about that last night, possibly dipping below 75. We're at 73. Holy shit, Matic has had 206. So, yeah, we're seeing a breakdown across the board. Nothing but red. Ethereum Classic, original Ethereum blockchain over here. Ethereum Classic coming in up 4.37% to 34 bucks. Really outdoing the market right here. Let's check out Coin Market Cap and kind of see what's going on in that realm. See what's actually moving today. Drop the movers in the chat, guys. If you want me to check them out here, look for possible entry points. If you guys are swing trading, doing all that good stuff, we'll take a look, take a peek, and kind of see where the money's at in the market today. Where's the money? We got to find it. We got to go search for it. What we got? Luna up 1.54%. Sea of red today. Nothing really popping. 8% Ethereum Classic. I don't like how Webull doesn't line up with like Coin Codex. So I like the charting. I do. They don't have all the cryptos, but I might have to explore some other options. I'm probably gonna end up doing a complete makeover of the whole stream. So I'll look for some other charts. Theta token up 8.76%. What's going on over here? Let's check it out, guys. Let's check out some. Let's see what they're talking about. Theta token. Let's pull this up. Theta token. We're going to have to break out the old magic 8 ball over here. Find out where the market's going. Because where is the money? Give me 1 second. Let me pull up this Theta. Theta wallet. Theta token is used to allow people to stake and claim on voting rights and help validate transactions. Theta coin price stayed around 10 cents mark for the first couple years of its existence, but last year things started to move slowly. Let's check out where we're at right now. Where you at, Theta? $4.34. So yeah, I would have to say this thing is definitely moving. I do like 24-hour volumes, not that bad. Market cap, I'm looking more along the lines right now, somewhere in the market cap of 1 billion. It's much easier for a coin with 1 billion market cap and the right tokenomics to actually 100% in price before, say, a coin with 8 billion. It's just much more economical to look at lower cap cryptos right now, like such as BAT. BAT is still low, 147. It's still sitting at 97. Whoa, where's it at? Where's BAT? Why isn't BAT up here? I gotta verify that real quick. Basic attention token, 97 cents. So BAT is definitely possible to 100% this year, easily. The market cap's low. You got a lot of attention with the Brave browser. Like, this is definitely a token to look into. Holy cow, holy smokes, what are we doing here? What is this? Safe Moon is freaking, hold on. Nah. What is that? Safe Moon. According to Coin Codex, that thing is up freaking 17%. I'm gonna have to verify that. I'm gonna have to check that. Safe Moon up 17%. Holy smokes. Theta is now up 9%. That's about it. Top 100. We got Theta, Safe Moon, man. Might have been leading the day. How about that? All you Safe Moon holders out there. Ernesto said they literally came in the Discord like the mafia and went ham on notifications. So yeah, we're starting to get that gap fill. So we did bounce off support. You are getting rejected off that 14. So let's see what happens. Might fill up to 1675 once again. Why is Kendrick Lamar playing? That's not good. Oh yeah, I just got copyrighted. Oh well. You get free BAT, B-A-T, basic attention token by using Brave. You absolutely can, man. And we're going to start getting into some passive income topics on the channel. We need to start making some passive income, especially when the market's down. We're going to look heavily into staking. You know, DeFi is the way to go. You know, you got to be careful with some of these liquidity pools. So we're going to be busting out some videos talking about all that good stuff, guys. Giving you the best places to put your money. Also, we're going to get hooked up on the mining. We're going to get that going. Have a little community mining channel going in the Discord. So make sure you're a part of that. Dogecoin heard some news with Rune. Whoa, what's going on there, man? Let's check it out. I'm just busting into the studio, man. So, no, don't play it. Okay, so yeah, my boy was on this on Twitter. Arno. Thorchain Rune launches a native Doge liquidity pool on its network. Yeah, I was in a talk show about this the other day. I should probably pay more attention. When was that? Let me see. Let me see when this busted out. 18th. That was today. But there was talks about this already. What's this? 14 hours ago, Doge, Rune, Tesla, Thorchain. That's pretty dope. Would you drive that? I would freaking drive that. Thorchain, Thor Swap, got the Doge, much wow. Yeah, they partnering with Doge. Don't blame them. Doge got a big community. I'll take it. What's up, NS? How you doing? Yeah, 25 cents like after a month. Yeah, hey man, I'm just being honest. Doge is like, man, it's just stuck below 20 cents, man. We can't. As soon as we pop back above it, we just drop right back below it. So you know, I got some little bit better movers out there, I think, right now, man. And we're gonna find them for y'all. You know, I thought Matic would have kind of bounced back by now. We are not seeing Matic bounce at all. So right here on Dogecoin, short term, getting rejected off the 14. If you see a retest of 1643, you'll probably bust down to that 1615 level once again. But we called it, man. That gap fall last night, it fell all the way to 1615 or 1616 actually, and then gap filled all the way back to 1675. Really, really nice swing trade right here. So kind of, you know, it doesn't look good, man. I think Dogecoin will possibly break below 1615, possibly into tomorrow, maybe even Thursday. So we need to watch it, man. We're not getting no volume stepping in right here. We had a pretty good pump back right here, but like I said, we're retracing almost immediately. So I don't like it. I do not like it one bit. There we go. 14 starting to hook, so we might be getting a little action stepping in. Let's see if we get rejected at 1675 again. They need to start burning Doge, man. That would completely offset the purpose of Doge, though. So I don't think they'll start doing that. I can't wait for Ethereum 2.0. You know, it's gonna be a little while. The bridge with Dogecoin, all that good stuff. Doge Doge will start mooning. You know, it's just going to take a little while, man. That's just what it boils down to right now. You know, they got some great plays out there. Phantom, you know, I'd like to see a little bit cheaper prices off of Phantom. Matic is taking a beating, guys. Probably going to pick up some more around 180. Just being honest with you, we are testing support once again at 205. If we can't hold that, that's basically $2 retest coming in hot off of Matic. Let's check the 4 hour. So I had a bit of a death cross back here on the 9th, which was about 9 days ago. So been trending ever since in a bit of a downward position. Matic had a nice run, it really did, but if we don't get a bounce here, this could get ugly, you know, back to 150, 180. So be on the lookout for that. You know, if we don't start to bounce soon, and I'm talking within this level right here, let me zoom in for y'all so y'all can see over here. 190, you know, if we see a 190 bounce, I do think you can gap fill all the way back up to at least 225, 220, 225 off of Matic once we do get a bounce. I think we will see a bounce. I'd look to pick up some right here, 190. If you hold that 190 level of support, that's what I'd be looking heavily at right here. So you really want to hold this level. It looks like that's where we're heading. I don't see any signs of a reversal just quite yet. It could bounce right here at 205 as support. That'd be best case scenario. Continue working its way up, but that 14 is already hooking down hard. That 50 is probably going to start to trace, follow it here shortly if we don't get no new buyers stepping in and new volume coming into the markets. Let's check out XRP real quick for all you XRP lovers out here. Same thing, steady downtrend right now, setting lower highs and lower lows. So where are we heading? You know, that was that flash crash that Friday, December 4th. And ever since then, I mean, it's hard to argue that, you know, it's still an ascending level of support, but it hasn't broken down quite yet or saw a double bottom at 60 cents. So I know that's not what y'all want to hear, but if we can't get no volume stepping in, there's a chance we could start retesting 69 and then, you know, gap falling all the way to 65. So we're still hanging on the top of this channel, but we need a bounce here. But that 14 is hooking down. So I don't see no reason why we shouldn't see another retest of 69 cents. That would be my buying range right here for somewhere between these two levels right here. That would be the buy zone, and then you can ride it back up for a gap fill. So be on the lookout for that, guys. What we got next? Phantom. Let's check out some FTM. You know, I love FTM. That's gaining traction is probably one of my favorite tokens besides Doge. But check this out, guys. We drew this a couple days ago, a couple nights ago. Didn't quite hit it. Didn't quite hit the line yet. We did see a bounce, but that's perfectly fine, perfectly healthy. You know, we could get fall down quite a bit. That 14 is hooking down along with the rest of the market pretty good right now, guys. So I am still expecting a rejection right here and a come down to somewhere around 259. So if you're looking to pick up some Phantom and we hold that 259 range, and if we do see a breakdown below that, I mean, you do have some really good support at 246. So 246 to, I would say, 259 is my buy zone for Phantom. And if you don't feel comfortable with it, and you know, you don't think you're buying the bottom, well, do some dollar cost averaging. You know, set your buy order for 257, and then maybe pick up a few more on the way back down. You know, maybe I don't know. Let's see, where's that level right here? 257 to 245. So, you know, you can say at 245, it might not trigger. It might though. That'd be best case, but it has been the trend right now, and we are not seeing a break of that quite yet. 338 is the top. You might get one more gap fill and make a new all-time high before it comes, you know, spiraling down. I do think Phantom is coming to maybe towards the end of its run, or just the beginning. It's hard to tell. It really is, man. The market's really confusing right now. And I'm gonna just be completely fucking honest with you. The market is really confusing what's going on. Bitcoin's just kind of steady with a bit of a downtrend, taking the rest of the crypto market down with it, and that's just because Bitcoin makes up most of the crypto market cap for the entire market. So until that starts to get its act together, come on, Bitcoin, get your shit together. You know, we're gonna see a couple coins do their things, and I think Phantom is one of them. You know, if that is a possible bounce point and we go up to make a new all-time high right here, then I might look to you know, be a little bit more bearish. Remember, it doesn't go up forever. It's going to go back to retest that 200 at some point. And I mean, if you see a breakdown right here, and a breakdown below that 200, that's when I'd be looking to exit. But you should be up overall if you've been picking up Phantom with us along the way, guys. So what's up, Alex? How you doing? Crypto Life. What's happening, man? Can you check XELA stock? Absolutely, man. Let's see what you're rapping about. XELA. Let me make sure I read that right. 50 cents. Is that the one you're referring to? Let me know, Nesto. AR Drone 51. Elon Musk just tweet. Back to the moon soon. Let's check it out, man. Let's see what you're rapping about. AR Drone, make sure you hit that subscribe button for us, man. Join up with the fam. Also join, drop a link to 100% free Discord, man. Make sure to check it out. Let's see what my boy's doing, man. And boom, 1 hour ago. Let's drop it a like, drop it a retweet. Boom. Boom. Do our part. Support the community. There we go. Boom. Let's take that down. Put that over here. All right. Yeah, get your ish together, Gatorhead. You got to get it together. Yeah, that's it. All right, cool. Let's check it out, man. So we got XELA coming in hot at 50 cents right now. 4-hour chart right here, man. Yeah, it's 33. Let me pop this real quick. Hold on, man. I don't like this. Okay, that's better. This is what I'm looking for right here. See if I can get something out of this. Man, I think you're heading for 45 cents. That would be my buying opportunity if I was looking to enter into this for a quick potential swing trade. Man, you had a really big spike to, wow, $5, man. This was July, March and July. But why is it falling like that? It's hard to tell, man. You set, god damn, this thing went to $8. Then you set a lower high. I think it could gap fill, man. If the trend continues, you come down quite a bit, fill up, come down quite a bit, fill up. You might be able to ride this thing back to, $3 potentially. I might look at this, man. Thank you for bringing this up. I'm gonna do some research, kind of find out what this is, man. Why is it doing what it's doing? Wow, yeah, $7. That is a potential big time return. Yeah, I might throw something at it, man. Thanks for dropping that, man. I think, if you get a bounce somewhere around 45, 40 cents, or pretty shortly, man, you could gap fill all the way back up if you see a nice big spike, man, which has been the trend with this thing. But let me do some research behind the scenes and see what's going on over there. Why is it falling? And I'll update you in the Discord, man. Let me see. What crypto we didn't look at tonight? ADA. Breaking down. All the hype about the Sunday swap kind of going away now. So that was the high 163 that we saw. We talked about a possible retracement back to that 150. If we broke that, then that was going to be pretty bearish. And that held true. We popped back up to 153. But it looks like we're heading back for a 140 retest. And if we don't hold 140, look out below because we got 130 coming in next major level of support. So be on the lookout for that, man. I think that's possibly where we're heading if we can't hold this 140 range. So that 14 is hooking hard. I think tomorrow's going to be a pretty red day in crypto, guys. all the charts look exactly the same, and that 14's hooking hard. I know it's just a 1 minute chart, but 30-minute chart doesn't look bad. It gives you a little bit of hope. So you are bouncing off that 200 here off of ADA, so that's pretty bullish. But you know, if you don't hold that 200, yeah, you definitely gonna see 130 and maybe even lower. So be on the lookout for that. ADA did have a nice pop to 163. Don't know if you're gonna quite get the hype. You might be seeing some selling off anticipation to Thursday's Sunday swap with ADA. So be on the lookout. 130 could be happening, but we could also potentially bounce and then ultimately end up around 180, kind of where I'm thinking, off that head and shoulder pattern I showed y'all here off the 4-hour chart. Let me zoom out. No, it's the daily chart. I'm sorry. So really looking for, you know, that 189 range to really gap fill up, maybe even 182, retested at 200 here off the daily. So we'll see if that holds true. Hopefully it does, and we all make some pretty good tendies. Let's check out Shiba Inu for all you Shiba lovers out here. Yeah, I mean, that's looking exactly like what Doge did. Exploded all the way up to 8885, and then you retrace quite a bit. Seemed to have found some support off this bull flag that we had, which potentially led us to that 8885 all-time high. So really good to see us really starting to bounce right here. I would have to say you'll probably trade between 2.4 and 2.7, or even 2.9. I know it's a pretty big gap, but I do think that's going to be the channel we're probably going to end up for quite some time. I mean, look at all these other levels we have. Microscopically, we drew this. This is the daily chart. Let's go to the 4-hour, kind of see where we're at. So yeah, nothing really holding it up. It's just setting lower highs and lower lows. Still in a bit of a downtrend. You know, good thing you have not broke that bottom of that bull flag right here. You are still treating it as support, which you got to retest right here at 2.5. So I would have to say 2.4 to 2.7 what we're really going to see over the next couple days for Shiba Inu, guys. So hopefully we start to see a pretty good little bounce shortly, but nothing is really looking too hot right now. And, you know, besides Ethereum Classic, which that thing is doing great on the day. Let's check it out. Let's go to 30-minute chart. Why they do this to Ethereum Classic? Give us the small little candlesticks. So, oh, that's why. That'd be why. There we go. Boom. So really, really looking good. Potential. You did get rejected at 34.84, where these tops and bottoms line up. So not surprised. Might be heading back toward 32. But look at all these moving averages, man. They are all hooking up pretty freaking good here off the 30-minute. You might be able to get some more out of this. Look at this. You got a test of the 200 moving average here off the 1-hour chart and spring loaded. Now, if you can break above 34, yeah, I'd look out. 37, potentially a 38. Could be a gap fill up for Ethereum Classic. Quick short-term swing trade. I think it might happen. Let's see what happens tomorrow, though. You are seeing some retracement. Let's see if we get a retest of 30 bucks. That'd be my buying zone, and then I'm looking to sell somewhere around 36. So for all you swing traders out there, that's kind of what I'm looking for Ethereum Classic here in the short term. I do think it might happen, but you never know. AVAX, another one we haven't talked about in quite some time. Ever since we hit them all-time highs, really been struggling, and nothing's looking too good about it as of right now. 75.61. Next level of support right here, so we might see a retest, and if we can't hold up on that, let's go ahead and zoom out. I'm not gonna make it wider. I'm gonna go here off the 4-hour. Yeah, I mean, there's shit. I mean, you're talking 50-60 bucks if you can't hold this level right here. So let's be on the lookout for AVAX if we can't hold support. Like I said, the whole market's in a bit of a downtrend, guys, so we really need something happening here shortly. We need people buying back in, man. That's exactly what we need. And we might get that in a form of, like, you know, taxes are coming out. There's going to be a lot more money flowing through the economy with income taxes from everybody. Usually, you know, when more money is flowing through the market through the hands of retail investors, you'll start to see these pretty nice pumps in the market. And, you know, statistically, lots of people reinvest their, you know, income tax. And, you know, it does move markets. You saw last February, Doge started pumping. March, April, and then completely fell out in May. Sell in May and walk away. That's been the term since the beginning. And, you know, we'll see what happens, guys. We'll see what the frig happens. But Ethereum Classic up 3.5%. That's good. Safe Moon's doing pretty good today. Shiba gap fill 2.4 to 2.9 range. Kind of what I'm thinking right now. Bitcoin. Let's check out Bitcoin. We almost forgot about the Big Daddy BTC. Let's see what it's doing. Yeah, really, really tough spot right now that we're in. You know, potentially looking for a 39 retest. Not looking good, man. Not looking too hot right now. So, you know, just that constant step down. You know, step down, step down, step down. Man, if we step down again, you're potentially looking at 33, 34,000 off of Bitcoin. But in all honesty, you're also looking at potential for a spring load. You know, once the price is suppressed so much, people are short in the market, not really buying in, and you get an influx of buyers and these shorts get fucked. Then you could spring load way past 69 and maybe gap fill up to 75, kind of what we were thinking would happen somewhere between, you know, now and end of February. You know, February is a short month, but I do think it's going to be a really good month for crypto. I mean, we had two back-to-back pretty bad months, so let's hope February is not the same. And, you know, we could see a repeat of what happened last year, you know, definitely. But I think February we start to turn things around and make some profits. What's up, Ben? Ben Cadillac says smash them likes. Hey, thank you, Ben. Really appreciate it. Lindsay, too, hit the like button. Thank you, thank you. Oh, you missed the $5 spike. Dang, bro. Hey, Ernesto, try doing one thing for me, man. You know I love you, bro. You've been around since day one. Have a plan, man. Whenever you go into a trade from this point on, from this day forward, man, you go into a trade, you have an entry and an exit. You know, and if that thing explodes, see you had it at 50 cents and it explodes to $5. As soon as you see that thing stall out, you just need to take your profits, man. You can always buy back in cheaper. The TA does not lie. Anything that goes up, it comes right back down. Make sure you have your moving averages set. You know, your 14, your 50, your 200. Look at the 4-hour chart, man. It always comes back to the 200-day moving average. So TA doesn't lie, man. So you see these big spikes, take you some profits, man. That's the name of the game. Take you some freaking profits. AR Drone 51 Doge 1 mission is the best marketing. Hard to make it any better, I think. Absolutely, man. Honestly, if you want my opinion, if they're going to take Dogecoin to the moon, I would put up a big sign on the freaking moon and be like, all right, you don't like it, go take it down. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm going to leave it up there. That's free marketing to a T. That's what I would do personally. But, you know, Elon, if you're watching, you know, yeah, it'd be cool, man. I'm just saying. I think Bitcoin is doing what it did in the summer. One day we'll get a 10K candle out of the blue. It's possible, man. 10K candles are not out of the realm. We saw it drop 10K when we were close to all-time high. You know, so it's if it would have moved up in the right direction, it would have busted a brand new all-time high. So it is what it is, man. Right now, you know, the buyers aren't there. I don't care what people say. They're like, buy, hold. Yeah, but you have to buy because you have to remember, Dogecoin, there's like 14 million every day that's flooding into the market. You know, if there's not an influx of buyers meeting that price, it's just steady decline. You know, eventually you're going to get a influx of investors. And I think 2022 is a great year for people. You know, you're going to see an influx of brand new people hopping into crypto for the first time. But I mean, do this. Next time you're in public, ask somebody about crypto. Hey, man, are you in the Doge? Man, people are like, what the hell is Doge? You know, there's still a lot of people in this world that are not informed about cryptocurrency. And, you know, it's partially our job to get it out there. That's why I'm on YouTube most nights. I'm hitting Twitter so hard. I'm just trying to educate people to, you know, make some good investments for the future, because I honestly feel like cryptocurrency, DeFi, NFTs, all that good stuff is the future. You know, we're just seeing the beginning process of it. We're still in the Atari of what we're investing in right here. Lindsay, Elon, bro, Doge that moon, man. We aren't asking for much. Appreciate all the advice and help, bro. You had helped me a lot in the years and times. That's why I'm still here. Now, thank you, man. I appreciate you. If you weren't a Bulldog fan, I don't know. I might like you a little bit more, but you know I love you, brother. Yes, Elon, a Dogecoin symbol seen from Earth. I mean, dude, like perfect marketing, free marketing for Dogecoin, 24/7, 365 across the freaking planet. So, guys, just be on the lookout. Let's do a quick TA on Bitcoin, and then I got to go do some work for the show on Twitter this weekend, which, guys, if you aren't following me on Twitter, please take a second and go hit the follow button. I'll follow you back. I'm always on there. You can get with me anytime you need me on there. But we also hosting some pretty awesome shows, me and Bulldog. So y'all need to come check us out, and maybe you can learn a thing or two about some of these new cryptocurrencies. I'm learning myself. I got Kishu Inu this weekend. You know, I got an interview with the devs. It's going to be a great show. We're putting on some pretty good stuff over there. So y'all need to come check us out. 41,247, next major level of support. A break below that, guys. You do have some support right at 40,700. It's not much, though, and it's really clawing on the edge of trying to hang in there. And, you know, I think this is where institutions are picking up within this gap right here at 39 and 40. You know, if we do see a dip below it, I do think it'll be brief. I do think institutions are going to snag it up as quick as possible if we see a dip below 39. So you might see a bit of a flat. You might, you know, in an instant see a bit of a flash crash. That potential is not out the window by any means. You know, every month that we're seeing red, we potentially see, you know, 1 to 2 flash crashes. We saw one in December. Had a little one. You know, it's been a downtrend for a while. You know, I wouldn't really call this a flash crash, which is a pretty sharp decrease right here. But, you know, we just have to be on the lookout, guys. You know, nothing is out the realm right now. We are not seeing potential new pumps. Phantom's doing great. Matic's not doing so hot. XRP's back below 75. Cardano's 144. We'll see where the market's heading. You know, we might see another good dip before everything takes off again. But mark my words, guys. How long have we been here? Months and months and months. It's going to take off again. And when it does, we're going to capitalize. I'm going to sell quite a bit of stuff, and I'm going to buy back in on the bottoms once again, or as close to the bottoms as we possibly can. So I'm going to start, you know, I told everybody I was going to start, you know, mentioning these gap fills on the show. Last night we mentioned 16.15. It bounced, hit 16.75. That was the gap fill. That was a great freaking swing trade if you would execute it. So real quick, once again, if you're looking to swing trade some Doge, just try it, guys. Give it a chance. What you got to lose? You know, you're already sitting down here, so why not take a bit of your portfolio and then start executing on these trades? And what I mean by that, look at the 4-hour chart. If you swing trading, 4-hour chart, I look for a long-term hold. 30-minute chart and 5-minute chart. That's what I'm really looking for on swing trades. So like right now, the 5-minute chart, that 14 is hooking. That is a fish hook right here, bro. This thing is hooking down hard. So I'm not expecting a bounce off that 200. I'm looking for a possible retest of 16.15. Now look, we tested it 1, 2, 3, 4, almost 5 times today. So there's a potential where what I'm seeing here closely, short-term TA, we'll probably get a break below 16.15. And then we might potentially gap fill all the way back to 15.35. Let me see where I was getting at 15.35 at. I can't quite remember. That's where I'm getting it at. These bottoms right here. And yeah, there is not much holding you up between here and 15.35. So if you are looking for a potential great buying opportunity, I'm looking 15.35 to 14.50 would possibly be my next buying opportunity once we see, if we see this continuation of this dip. Now it can also flip on you real quick. You know, it's a gamble. It's, you know, it can go up, it can go down. Nobody knows where it's going, but I can tell you here on the downtrend, which we're currently in, you know, and we retested this level lots of times today. Remember, the more times you test it, the weaker it gets. And if we completely fall out of 16.15, you know, you'll probably catch a little traffic at 16. I think you'll probably find some type of support. Nothing too major like this 15.35, but you know, if you can't, you know, eventually bounce up, I think if you're patient, you might end up picking up some at 15.35 once again. Not to say that will happen, but I'm just saying, you know, being patient, waiting for a trade 15.35. It looks like we're heading there. but we are bouncing off the 200. If we trade sideways and start a little bit of an uptrend, that's the best case scenario. And that would put you basically at 1643 and then a break above 17 cents. So you might be able to ride this 200 back to 17 cents. Very, very possible. I wouldn't bet on it. I would look for a bounce right here. But if you see a breakdown below this 200, that's when you need to start paying attention. Here off the 5-minute chart, break below the 200 moving average. I'm looking for that 16.15 dip once again. And you might gap fill back to 16.75, but I'm looking for this hold right here. So I think if you watch your little moving averages, like the 14 is hooking down right here off the 5-minute. I think if you really start to hook back up, you can catch 16.27 and ride that thing back up to 16.75. So just my personal thoughts. Try it out, guys. Don't buy the top of the channels. Do your support. Pop your lines. You want to find more than 3 touch points to signify some type of support and resistance. And the more touch lines you get, the bigger the support or resistance. So check it out, guys. Don't buy a 16.75 and then watch it get rejected here. If you see a break above 16.75, know that your next latest top was at 16.96. Also 16.86. You have 1, 2, 3 tops at 16.86. So that's a potential rejection point right here. You could easily break 16.75, but don't get faked out, because then you might get rejected at 16.86 and then head back down to 16.15. So you get played really quick. So just try it out, guys. Know your channels. Don't buy the top of the channel unless you see an influx and that 14 is hooking, that RSI is cooking. Do your own DD and own research, guys. But hopefully the market will recover by tomorrow, and we're staring at much higher crypto prices. What's up, Rick? I will get the Discord server in the mining room in the Discord. I got 50 things going on in my head right now. I'm getting that room cranked up, man. I'm going to be posting some information in there. I got some guys that are going to come in here and really kick that off. We got Parlay Mafia in the Discord, sports betting. These guys are just, throwing out their picks, man. They're very good at what they do. Gate Ahead is out here slaving for crypto. Hey, someone's got to report these shitty ass crypto prices. I mean, it's got to be me. That's what's got to happen. XRP, TikTok. Yes, it's on the clock, man. But it's looking for 69 again. That's what I'm thinking, man. Short-term bearish, long-term bullish. That's what it is. Thank you for news, looking up new ways to accumulate through mining. Have a good night. Thank you, Turbo Fireman. Appreciate you very much, man. Only 16% no crypto. We are first in line. Man, I think the mass adoption closer to 4% right now. I'd have to check that. It's been 4% for a while, so hopefully it's, up there. But yes, it's still low, man. We're still first in line. Absolutely, man. And you are still first in line to hit that subscribe button, my man. Do that for you, boy. I'd greatly, greatly appreciate it. Let me drop a Discord link in here in the chat. There you go, man. That should pop up here shortly. Sorry you catching the end of the stream, Rick. Southern Bell, I didn't even see you in here. A-Rat, what's happening? Let's see if that Discord link post, or I have to reset CloudBot. Yeah, I'm going to have to reset it. Hey, Joey, dude. Absolutely, man. Dude, I'm thinking, I got the Oculus, man. So I'm thinking about doing like a full-fledged Oculus stream for y'all. Just to show y'all what's going on over there, man. I'm hooked on it. Like, I'm serious, man. I love the freaking Oculus. I can't get over it, man. It's cool. And it's still early. Like, it's still the beginning, man. There wasn't just this mass adoption of Oculus until this year, like a mass rush of people, getting them for Christmas. So it's still super early, but man, if you have an Oculus, man, hit me up in Discord. Let me know. Drop your tag. We'll go in there and chill in the metaverse, man. I ain't scared to go play some poker in the metaverse. Hey, AR Drone 51, hop in that Discord, man. 100% free for free. We'd love to have you join up with the fam. Guys, that's what I got for y'all tonight. I wish it was fucking pumping. Everything was ripping. and nothing was dipping. But this is what we're dealing with right now. This is the state of the market. Hopefully we'll see some better prices tomorrow. But remember the gap fills. If you got any questions, hit me up in Discord. I will see each and every one of y'all tomorrow night. I got some stuff to work on for the show on Sunday, so if you need anything, make sure to hit me up in Discord. Much love and peace.